Right, so we're gonna do some more list methods building on what we did last video. So you have the first method append here, as you can see here. So the append method, as the name tells you, appends whatever you want to append. So you have ABC as a list elements, and you append D and you get ABCD printed out. Simple as that. This is the append method. The next one, extend, you can see it takes a list as an argument. So you can see the first list is extended by the second list. So you get ABC extended by DE printed out. Okay. So the list T1 is now changed, but T2 remains the same. Sort, as the name tells, it's going to sort it. So you have DCEBA, it sorts it out and prints out as ABCDE. So that's the sort method. Then let's see, we'll go down a little bit. Then the pop. The pop method is another method where you basically are popping an element. So you're taking the element position 1, which is B, that's popped out, and now the list doesn't have B anymore, so you get A and C printed out. And what have I popped out? That's stored in a variable X, and that's printed here. So you see B popped out, which is basically your element at index number 1, which is what we popped. Okay, so we did these methods. Let's do two more methods. The del method. So the del method is useful. You don't provide an index, it deletes the last element. So that's the behavior of pop. So you gave a number, but if you don't, it takes the last element. If you don't need the value, like here we took the value out, but if you don't need the value, you can use a del operator. So you can say del tf1, b. So I'm not keeping this b anywhere. Del will just take this out and your list prints as A and C without the B. So you have A and C printed out. The last one is a remove method. Suppose you know what you want to remove, but you don't know where it is. Use the remove method. So use the remove method. You remove B. It removes B and it prints the list, which is A and C again. So yeah, so basically these are some useful methods in the list. I should say uh, the list object supports some methods. We saw some advantages and disadvantages as to when you would use which method. So hopefully you guys liked it. There is one more video we have on lists. So let me know in your comments if you wish to subscribe. Thank you.